Good morning, guys. 1st of January. Just showing you what I'm doing today. Mercedes c230 compressor. Okay. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to install an alternator on a 2005 Mercedes Benz c230 compressor, as I was saying. Okay. First of all, you need to remove the air housing. This part over here. Remove it from here. Okay. Of course, first thing you need to do is disconnect the battery, otherwise you're gonna be sparking all over the place. Alright. Afterwards, you need to loosen the belt. There's a tensioner key right here. You put your tool in there. I think it's a 12 millimeter 5-star socket, I believe. Then you come. There's 2 bolts in here. 1, 2. You need to take them out. Disconnect it from here. There's a turbo hose. Disconnect it from here, so you could take your alternator from here. You take it out from here. This one is just move. So if you don't have a space, just move this one. Also, you will need to remove not remove, just lower down this hose over here. This one's for the turbo as well. So the alternator comes out from here, right? And you put it the same way. I already put it in. See, this is the new one. Then you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. See, you're gonna have these 4 bolts in here. This kind of tool. This is a 12 as well. Yeah, this is a M12. 6 points. Alrighty. I'm gonna show you guys my set, I guess. So you guys can see. Probably purchase. I'm not being sponsored by anybody, but this tool has been working for me pretty good. So I'm gonna show you guys. Sorry for the movement there. Anyway, there's that. Okay, it's called, what is it called? Carbine. I purchased this set out of Amazon, and I've been using it a lot, and it hasn't let me down. The quality is good. I like it. It comes in its little box and everything. It comes with some 5 points as well as 6 points, and there's as well as the other 5 points with the hole in the middle. It comes with all of that, so I haven't really had the need to buy another set. Aside from this one, it comes with these sockets as well, which is pretty good. I like it. I like the quality of it. I like the quality. I like everything about the set. Alrighty, so yeah, man. You're probably gonna need to remove that alternator from there. I have to jack up the car as well, and I have to lower the sway bar, because it was on the way. You probably don't need to remove it. You could but you can actually, you can actually do it from there. But just give me a second, okay? I'm gonna raise the vehicle and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Just give me a few minutes. sorry for the wait, guys. Anyways, in case you don't know how to in case you don't know how to raise your vehicle, I'm gonna show you how. I'm talking about Mercedes, right? There's a little gum over here. If you notice, there's a little gum over here. You put your jack floor in here so you don't mess up anything. Okay. Yeah, this is a 3-ton Daytona floor jack from Harbor Freight, actually. I like it as well, you know, it's pretty good quality. It hasn't let me down since I purchased it. Although it's brand new, so you know, like, we'll see in the future. And I raise it up, boom boom boom. The way I'm doing it this week, because I'm a mobile mechanic, so I don't have the professional jack where you can raise all the 4 tires, right? Yeah, something like this. Right there. That's all you're gonna need. Okay. So that being said, look what I've done over here. This is what I was talking about. Okay. There's 2 bolts in here, 2 bolts over there. That's a sway bar, and it goes here. See, there's the alternator. See, there's 2 bolts that I have to put in here, and 2 bolts down, 2 bolts up. So that's 4 bolts in total. Okay. Let me go bring my tool, start putting it back on. Okay. No. This is your bolts. See, these are big ones. Right. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm about to put the bolts. Okay. When to make it easy, you can just do it like this as well, you know. You know, you're pinning the acid down. Oh, wait. First, what we need to do is put the connection that goes to the alternator itself. You know, otherwise you're gonna have trouble later on. Let's look for it though, because I don't know where the hell it is. Okay, there's this one. Oh, and okay, let's see where it is. Let's look for it. Oh yes, that one's there. Oh, it's supposed to be all together, right? So okay, here it is. Look, see, I'm talking about this connection. And if you guys can see, I'm talking about where's my hand? I'm talking about this connection right here. Put this one first before putting the bolts in there, otherwise you're gonna have problems. Okay. That one goes to the positive side of the alternator. You see where it goes? You could actually give me a second. Let me see if I can just make it better. Sorry, it's a little bit hard to be working with one hand only. Yeah, I want to show you the best way I can, because I know some people will be tripping. Now, in this case, the alternator was not purchased for me, so I'm just doing a quick. Not a quick, this is a pain in the ass actually, but I'm doing just take out and put back alternator basically on this 2005 Mercedes Benz c230 compressor, because I haven't seen any video. on how to put this thing back. Now there's two types in here, okay? There's a type in here. There's a type in here, guys. So honestly, this called the Balio type, and there's a Bosch type. You know, they both come different. So this is the Balio type, so I guess it's a little bit hard, I don't know, but all I'm saying is that you gotta like see, you know, you gotta be sure of what you're doing, you know. In this case, you know, the customer didn't let me buy the alternator, so I'm putting whatever he wants, you know what I'm saying. But if you have the choice, I will suggest you 100% to put the right one, you know. As I'm saying, I don't know if this one's the right one or not, but I'm just doing what the customer wants, okay? I cannot make the customer buy something that he don't want to spend money on. I already talked to him and he was like, okay, no problem, let's just do it like that. Like, okay, whatever you want, boss, you're the boss. Yeah. I'm sorry guys if I'm mumbling too much. Just give me a second, okay? I'm gonna look for the thing that goes there. I might have to probably edit this video later on because it's gonna take a little bit too long, you know. But I'd rather give you the right information and I give it they give you something, you know, that it's not gonna make the car work. Anyways, and we'll get a tool for that car. If you guys seen this thing, it looks like it's been put on another car before, and you know, I honestly do not trust this alternator. This was purchased from my auto store, but I don't trust it. Like, it looks old. It looks like it's been tampered with, you know, all that kind of shit. But as I'm saying, the customer wants to put it on, so I already talked to him. So, you know, also that's another thing. Always talk to your customer before putting a part. Check it to see if it's correct. Make sure, you know, that it looks new and everything. We'll see how this one goes. Okay guys, I'm back. So this is another shed that I purchased from the Harbor Freight. Just because I've had problems where I really need a small wrenches, you know. So this is another set from Harbor Freight. You know, let's put the ball there. Also, after, if you get to see this video, it'll be nice if you guys were to, I call it, if you guys were to give it a thumbs up, you know, subscribe, try to make a channel, you know, try to make a new channel for myself, you know, get sponsored, of course. But overall, I do this because I love the mechanics. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you. I love this. Is my passion right here. You know, honestly, 2020 was a very rough year for me. Reason why is because I had 2 operations, you know, at 2 surgeries basically. One in my brain, one in my stomach, you know. But thank God I'm here still alive, you know. Thank God I'm still here fighting for my life, living the life. Thanks to God, I'm being able to do what I love the most, you know, which is mechanic. I love doing mechanic work, honestly. I mean, of course I do it for the money, but I also do it because I love it, you know. This is my career passion. Like I studied for paralegal, you know. I went to start for paralegal school. I went to school for to be a paralegal. I didn't like that. I also went to I also studied for math. You know, try to be a math teacher or something, but I didn't like that shit either. And you know, I started going to mechanic school, and I love it. That's what I love about it, you know. Also, guys, I do diagnostics, you know, things like that. Maybe one of these days, maybe today actually, I'm gonna take you guys on a trip on the diagnostic on the P1128, which you guys know that shit is a pain in the ass. It's a painful shit in the ass of a code. But yeah, man, this is what I was worrying about. See? Let me check something now. See, this is what I'm saying, guys. Like you see, this is what I'm saying, guys. This is the wrong alternator, man. It looks the same as the old one, but seems to be bad, man. I don't know what the heck. Let's check it out. Let's see if I could put it on. I mean, you will know until you try it, right? Yeah. Stupid shit, man. Check. Stupid thing, man. Let's see, that's what I hear. One day let me first show. I'm sorry, guys. I'm singing. You know, I like singing, so yeah, this is something I like doing actually. I know that doing mechanic work is sometimes it's stressful and everything, you know, but I wouldn't have it any other way. I love doing what I do, you know. I love doing all this type of things. And as I'm saying, thank God you know, I'm able to do it. I won't have it any other way, so let me see what's going up there, okay, guys, because something's pulling up. Okay, let me see if I can put the top on first. Huh? The top one as well. Let's see. Let me check it, okay, guys. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, I'm moving.